Do you always find yourself clueless of what activities to do when you return from school? Well, not anymore, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you some after-school routines to get ahead of your peers and to help you feel accomplished. So let's begin. Take a short break. After a long day at school, relaxing for 30 minutes can help clear your mind and reduce stress. Use this time to do something fun like going for a walk, listening to music, or having a snack. This will help you refresh your brain before doing your homework or before studying. Do homework or study. Prioritize doing your homework immediately after your break. You can start with those subjects you feel are more difficult, or subjects you know their deadlines are closer. But if you weren't given an assignment, you can go over the notes you took during the day or study for subjects you're not good at. Tidy up your study space. Keep your study area clean and clutter-free after your homework or study sessions. This will keep your room tidy and make it easier for you to concentrate in your next study sessions. Also, take a few minutes to organize your backpack and school supplies. Develop a hobby or learn a new skill. Dedicate some of your time to working on a hobby or interest of your choice, like drawing, swimming, cooking, or playing a musical instrument. This provides a way for relaxation and self-expression. Spend time with family or friends. Discuss with your family about your school day and share any achievements and any difficulties you experienced in school. This helps with developing solid relationships and provides an opportunity for assistance if needed. Also, you can spend time with your family by assisting your parents with household chores or helping your junior siblings with their homework. Prepare for the next day. To save time in the morning, prepare your outfit for the next day. You can also check your calendar or planner to see if there are any forthcoming deadlines, exams, or extracurricular events. This will help you stay mentally prepared for the day ahead. Relax for the day. Spend some time reading a book or watching TV to relax. You can watch your favorite TV shows or a new movie, or rather read books to help improve vocabulary and comprehension. Additionally, journaling about your day can help you process your feelings, manage stress, and monitor your personal development. Practice a nighttime routine. Develop a calming nighttime routine, like taking a warm shower, brushing your teeth, doing some light stretching, or listening to soft music to help transition from your day into a restful night. Aim for 8 to 9 hours of sleep, and ensure you're getting enough sleep to help improve academic performance. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and comment down your favorite after-school routine. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.